So next example is, if vector A is equal to x z cube I minus 2x square y z of j plus 2yz raised to 4 of k, find del dot vector A, del cross vector A, and del dot del cross vector A at a point 1, minus 1 and plus 1. So we need to calculate 1, 2, 3 results for this given vector at the point 1, minus 1 and plus 1. So I have given vector I have taken a vector A is equal to x z cube I minus 2x square y z of j plus 2yz raised to 4 of k. So now we'll start with the first one. So del dot vector A, that is del is nothing but what here, dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou y of j plus dou by dou z of k dot the vector A values x z cube I minus 2x square y z of j plus 2y z raised to 4 of k. So now you need to multiply I with I only, j term with j only, k term with k term only, because this is a dot product of two vectors. So therefore I, and remember I dot I is 1, j dot j is also 1, k dot k is 1. So only, so dou by dou x of partial derivative of this first term with respect to x. So it will be dou by dou x of x z cube will be what here, z cube. So plus into minus is minus, dou by dou y of with 2x square yz will become what here, 2x square z, and plus into plus is plus, third term. So 2yz raised to 4 with respect to z, it will become what here, 4 to the 8. So 8 y z cube. This is del dot vector A, we got it. And when you pass this to the point del dot vector A, you have to pass through the point what here, 1, minus 1 and plus 1. So what happened, x is 1, y is minus 1 and z is 1. So at that time what happens here, so z is 1 means 1 cube is 1, then here x and z value, so x value is 1 and z value is 1, so at that time it will become minus 2 plus 8 times y value is minus 1, z value is 1. So therefore it will be 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus 8, which is nothing but minus 9. So we completed the first part, first required thing. Second required thing, so we need to calculate del cross vector A. So this del cross vector A is nothing but determinant. First row is I, j, k. Then second row is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row is coefficient of I, j, k. Here we need to write coefficient of I is x z cube. Coefficient of j is minus 2x square yz, and coefficient of k is 2yz raised to 4. Fine. So we need to again go for a simplification of determinant, so which will be I times, so dou by dou y of this term means partial derivative of 2y z raised to 4 with respect to y is what here, it is 2z raised to 4 minus partial derivative of dou by dou z of this minus 2x square yz. So with respect to z, z is 1 means this minus and this minus will become plus, so it will be 2x square y minus j times dou by dou x of this term with respect to x. So here no x term, So this is purely constant. So partial derivative of constant with respect to x is 0. Formula minus dou by dou z of x z cube. It will become z term is there, so it will become 3x z square plus k times what happens here, so plus k times, so dou by dou x of this middle term, so that is minus 2x square yz. So here the x term is there, so it will become minus 4 x y z. So dou by dou y of this, here no y term, purely constant, minus 0. So simplify, so del cross vector A is equal to, so here the simplification I will keep as it is, I times 2 z raised to 4 plus 2x square y minus minus plus, because 0 minus is again minus time, minus minus plus j times 3x z square. Okay, so again plus into this is again a minus term, 4xyz it will be left here. So on simplification, so plus into minus is minus k times 4xyz. So this we need to pass through the point 1 minus 1 and plus 1, that is del cross vector A. If you pass through the point 1 minus 1 and plus 1, we get here the result as so this will become 0 I. So this simplification will become plus 3j, and this if you apply you will get y is minus 1 and this will become plus 4k. Okay, so this is the resultant of the second required thing here. Now we need to work out for the one more case, that is del cross vector A. So for this we'll see now. Now we need to calculate del dot of del cross vector A, and as we know that del cross vector A just now we have calculated, that is del cross vector A without passing through the point, that result you have to remember. So I will rewrite that one. We have already calculated, we have del cross vector A result is so this is already we got from the previous result, so we'll take directly. Now we'll apply. So therefore del cross vector A dot product of this, so del is nothing but this, del is nothing but dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou y of j plus dou by dou z of k dot del cross vector A. We got this result completely, we have to take it, that is 2z raised to 4 plus 2x square y of I plus 3xz square of j minus 4xyz of k. Now the term you have to differentiate partially, first term with first term, second term with second term, third term, because dot product of two vectors. So dou by dou x of this will be, so first here in this first term is 0, second term will become 4 xy, I dot I is 1, so plus into plus is plus, dou by dou y of second term, so no second term here you will find because no y term, 0, plus into minus is minus, dou by dou z of 4xyz, it will become 4xy. So therefore del cross vector A, we got the answer 4xy minus 4xy, so which will cancel each other, so resultant is 0, so no need to pass through out here point 1 minus 1 0. So in this way we have to conclude the example here. So next example is find curl of vector A given that vector A is equal to x y I plus y square z of j plus z square y of k. So solution. So given vector A is equal to x y I plus y square z of j plus z square y of k. So curl of vector A, that is, just see, curl of vector A symbolically is curl means del cross vector A we need to calculate. This is the word to what your symbol form. So we need to find del cross of vector A. So we will start from left onwards. So first we'll find del cross vector A. This result again will go for what here, del cross this result. So now, so we'll first find del cross vector A, which is nothing but the determinant. Cross means determinant. First row is I, j, k. Second row is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then third row is coefficient of I, j, k of the given vector. So coefficient of I is xy, coefficient of j is y square z, and coefficient of k is z square y. So we need to calculate the given determinant now. So therefore, which is nothing but I times, so dou by dou y of z square y will become z square minus dou by dou z of y square z will be y square minus j times means first row and middle column we have to hide. So dou by dou x of z square y is 0 because here no x term is, it is purely constant, 0, minus dou by dou z of xy, again it is a purely constant, which is again what here, 0, plus k times next dou by dou x of y square z will be again a constant, which is 0, formula minus dou by dou y of xy, because y term, so we can differentiate partially with respect to y. So dou by dou y of xy is what here, x. So therefore simplification is, so here it will be z square minus y square of I. So here nothing means you can take 0 times j or plus times j, anything, 0 times j or plus times j, anything, and plus into minus is minus x of k. So this is the result of del cross vector A, we got it. Now we need to find the value of what here, again. So we got this answer, so we need to again take a curl of again the resultant what we got. So therefore now del cross vector A is equal to determinant of. Now this answer we know it here. So first row is I, j, k. Second row is again dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So coefficient of I from this is what here, z square minus y square. Coefficient of j is 0. Coefficient of k is minus x. Now again simplify with for the given determinant. So I times dou by dou y of minus x is 0, constant, minus dou by dou z of 0 is again 0, minus j times dou by dou x of minus x is minus 1, formula minus dou by dou z of z square minus y square is 2z, plus k times dou by dou x of 0 is 0, formula minus dou by dou y of z square minus y square is what here, z square is 0, minus y square will be minus 2y, that minus and this minus will become plus 2y. So simplify, so we'll get this answer as 0 times I. So minus minus, you take minus sign commons, that minus and this minus will become plus, it will be I plus 1 plus 2z of j, okay, then 0 plus 2k is 2y is 2y into k is what here, plus 2y k. So this is the curl of curl of vector A.